Have you ever seen a strange Facebook post that moves like 3D when you scroll or shake a phone? It's a 3D photo. So in today's video we will see how to enable and create that Facebook post. Hello and namaste guys. First of all, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the notification bell. Now let's jump right into the video. Little disclaimer guys, this can only be done in phone which has portrait mode or has dual camera on it. So sorry for those who don't have portrait mode on their phone, this won't work for you. But you can watch this video. Actually, it's a feature that Facebook has launched. Not a lot of them know about it because it's disabled by default, but you can enable the feature. We're gonna have to open Facebook app. So the first thing is you need to search for Facebook 360. Official Facebook 360 page will appear and you just need to like that page to enable the 3D photo. Now once we do that, we're gonna close the Facebook completely by going to the task manager and force it to close completely. Note that if you don't close it completely, the option won't show. After that, we'll go back to Facebook. Once we go to create post, you can see it has been enabled. You can see the new option 3D photo. Pick a photo you wish to post. Again, the photo should be portrait. It says creating a 3D photo. You can see how the portrait photo was converted to 3D photo by Facebook. So that's how you enable and create a 3D post in Facebook. And I hope this video helped you. If yes, then give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you have any question, feel free to comment below. See you in the next video.